Now, let's switch your Linux environment to a Windows one. Before you begin, it's vital to back up your data. The following process will delete your operating system, so a backup of your personal files is a must-have. Step 1. Ensure your hardware meets Windows 10's requirements, covering storage space, RAM, and CPU. Consider your partitions. You can use existing unallocated space or override a partition. Now for the BIOS. Enter your BIOS UEFI setup. Access by pressing a key during startup. Look for the key displayed during your computer startup, or consult your motherboard's manual. Within the BIOS, configure the boot order. Choose your Windows installation device. This could be a network installation or a local drive. To begin installing the installation file, save your settings. After saving the BIOS setup, restart your computer. Will then launch the Windows installation program. Proceed with Windows 10 installation, selecting language, layout, and time zone before choosing your partition. Finally, post installation, set up Windows and install drivers for your hardware. You are ready.